In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Google Sheets without affecting other users. This is really useful when you're working in a shared spreadsheet and you want to explore or analyze the data your own way without changing what everyone else sees. First, open your shared Google Sheet in a browser, just like you normally would. Make sure you're looking at the correct tab or worksheet where your data lives. It helps if your data is in a clear table format, with headers across the top row such as name, date, status, or whatever matches your sheet. Filters work best when Google Sheets can clearly recognize those headers. Now, instead of using the regular filter, which changes the view for everyone, we're going to use a feature called a filter view. At the top of the screen, go to the menu bar and click on Data. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Filter Views. Hover over it, then choose Create New Filter View. You'll notice the screen changes a bit. The rows and columns might get a darker border and a black bar appears just above the column headers. This tells you that you're now working inside your own personal filter view. Any filters or sorting changes you make here will only apply to this view, not to the sheet itself for everyone else. Next, set up the filter you want. Click on the small filter icon inside the header of the column you want to filter. From here, you can sort the data A to Z or Z to A, or choose specific values to show. For example, you might uncheck Select All and then tick only the values you want to see, like one particular status or category. When you click OK, the sheet will update and only display the rows that match your filter choices. You can repeat this process for multiple columns if you need a more detailed view of the data. Keep in mind that your teammates will still see the full, unfiltered sheet unless they switch into your filter view themselves. If you want to reuse this filtered setup later, give your filter view a name. In the dark bar at the top, click where it says something like Filter View and rename it to something descriptive, such as My Sales Filter or Open Tasks Only. That way, you can come back to Data, then Filter Views, and select it again whenever you need it. When you're done, simply close the filter view by clicking the X on the right side of that dark bar. Your sheet goes back to normal, and you've successfully filtered your data without affecting anyone else.